Hello and welcome to the video showing you how to participate in Stage 2 of the Raman Awards. Please go to register.ramanaward.org. You will be shown a screen like this. To continue with your Stage 2 submissions, enter your mobile number. You will receive an OTP at this number. You must enter the phone number via which you registered for Stage 1. No other phone number will work. Click on the Send OTP button, enter your OTP, and click on the Login button. If you do not receive the OTP within 30 seconds, you may please click on the Resend OTP button when it is activated. Your name and number will already be on the system. So you should see a screen like this, with Raman Awards and the current year listed in the column on the left under Contests and Challenges. If you have qualified for Stage 2 and still don't seem to be registered, then please WhatsApp us at 74839-45803 or email us at info@ramanaward.org. Click on Raman Awards with the current year given on the left, and Stage 2 should be highlighted for you. In case it is grayed out, but you know you have qualified for Stage 2, then please WhatsApp us at 74839-45803 or email us at info@ramanaward.org. Click on Stage 2 and you should see a screen like this. To continue with Stage 2, click on the Make Submission button on the Submit First Innovation card and you'll be shown a screen like this. Please read all the instructions under the Instructions heading thoroughly. This is very important as all the instructions and rules for the submissions are given here. You have a total of 5 assignments to complete for each submission of Stage 2. Please complete them in serial order by first starting with Assignment 1, the qualifying quiz. This is a quick quiz that you may attempt multiple times to make sure you understand the general philosophy and principles of the contest. For Assignment 2, Innovation Details, you need to fill out a form with your innovation details. All fields are mandatory. Please fill this form as accurately as you can. Then move to Assignment 3, Innovation Images. Take 2 pictures of your completed activity from 2 different angles with you present in the picture. That is, your face has to be visible. Then navigate to the Submission tab and upload the 2 images. Once your images are uploaded, View buttons will appear against each image field and the subsequent assignment fields will be enabled. In Assignment 4, Observation Sheet, you are required to submit a self-designed and customized observation sheet for your innovation. That is, the data you have collected for your innovation and submit it as a document, which could be a picture or PDF or even a Word or text file. While there is a sample observation sheet you may view in the adjacent tab, this is representational for one of ThinkTac's TACtivities and is shown here just so that you have an idea of what an observation sheet should look like. What you submit must be your own observation sheet pertaining specifically to the innovation you have submitted and filled in with the data that you have collected by playing with your innovation. The last assignment, Assignment 5, Innovation Video, requires you to take a video no longer than 4 minutes of you playing with your activity. You may speak, etc. while demonstrating the activity, and this can be in any language. The video should then be uploaded on YouTube as a public video and the URL generated. Paste this URL under the Paste YouTube link here field. Make sure that your YouTube link is a public link, else the evaluators won't be able to view it and your submission may be rejected. Note that if your video length is greater than 4 minutes, or if your video link is not a valid YouTube link, you will be shown an error. If any part of the narration section of the video is speeded up, your video is liable to be disqualified. So make sure that any narration that is made in the video is uploaded in the actual speed, not 1.25x or 1.5x, etc. The making or playing parts may be at a different speed if so desired. After uploading a valid video, click on the Save button. If the upload is successful, you will receive a notification stating that the video is uploaded successfully. Submitting this final assignment effectively means your Stage 2 submission is complete. To submit a second innovation, follow the same steps by clicking on the Make Submission button on the Submit Second Innovation card. You are allowed to make one or two submissions. The choice is yours. Submitting two entries increases your chances of qualifying for the finals, but a single good submission is better than two mediocre ones. So plan what suits you best. Give yourself adequate time to make, play, and study your innovations. Avoid last-minute submission plans and look to submit your entry at least a week before the deadline so that you may get technical help in case you require. We cannot guarantee any timely technical help and extension of the deadline if a request is made any time later than a week before the deadline. Read the rules carefully on ramanaward.org and make sure you understand the criteria for what underscores a good submission. Peruse our resources section on the website and make sure you attend one of our boot camps to prepare you better. If you aren't able to or haven't attended our boot camp, you may see a recording of the boot camp on youtube.com/ThinkTac. Most importantly, enjoy what you make and engage with the principles and science behind your innovation. Good luck!